I am MS Gopal, owner of this company by name Rotoflex Industries, and we manufacture high-speed printing machines from ranging from 100 meters to 400 meters per minute. So we have as many as 70 to 80 customers who have bought 8 color machines from us, and in India and as well as abroad. We are giving good service and good service backup. So we are very well equipped with this thing, and none of our customers they complain any this thing, and because quality conscious, because even many people they put ARC auto color register machine in many machines, but in our machine it doesn't require, so it prints on its own like ARC. So many prefer, they can avoid this 20 lakhs investment, additional investment, they prefer our machines. Yeah, excellent this thing. We got very good response, and this being the first day we have to explore, and many a time we got a very good response from these expositions. Welcome.